Hello, good morning. It's not morning, it's already afternoon here, guys. 3:45 p.m. 3:30 p.m. And my husband got home from work so early because I have my prenatal appointment. I have a prenatal appointment. Let's go. Nandito na kami ngayon, guys, sa may sasakyan. At inaantok ako kasi kanina hindi ako nakatulog. My husband, pumasok siya sa trabaho. Umalis siya mga 6:30, so nagising din ako. Tapos hindi na ako nakatulog, kaya yung tulog ko mga 5 hours lang. Ayaw ko nang bumalik ng tulog maghamang ng hapon kasi baka sa gabi hindi na naman ako makatulog. So yung hospital, 15 minutes away siya sa bahay. 15 minutes away siya sa bahay namin. Hindi naman talaga kalayuan. Malapit lang sa workplace niya. Pero, pinick up niya ako kasi wala naman akong sasakyan at hindi naman ako marunong mag-drive. Kaya pinick up niya ako from work. Mainit ngayon. Mainit pa rin. Nandito na kami, guys, sa may clinic. Nakalimutan ko yung ID ko, pero meron akong picture. Sana pwede. Hospital. Is it really a hospital, babe, or just a clinic?
It's like a medical offices. It's not like a hospital.
Medical.
Doctor's
Yan.
office.
Yung tiyan ko, malaki na. At may tummy, babe. Parang park. I like my outfit. I want to buy more of this, babe.
Yeah.
It's only $4. I only bought it in Target. Is here.
Here.
Oh.
Hello.
Hello. My name is Maria Rose. I have my appointment.
Just gotta other side. There you go.
It's here.
Yeah.
I'm glad there's not a lot of people today. Wala masyadong tao, guys. Ang buti kahit wala akong ID. Hindi nila hinanap. Ito yung hospital dito. Maganda yung hospital dito. Malinis. Mabango. Telling that the hospital here is really different in the Philippines. And sa mga, siguro, sa mga private na hospital sa Pilipinas, dito private naman to siya. Pero kahit public, even it's a public hospital, babe, no, it's clean. Even here in the US, even it's a public hospital, it's clean.
I mean, no, this is private. A private hospital.
Yeah, but I mean public. You went to a public hospital or?
That's like a clinic or something. Those are pretty crowded.
It's crowded. But the bathroom here, ang linis ng kanilang CR. Mag-CR ako, guys, pakita ko sa inyo. I'm just gonna go to the bathroom, babe. Is it okay?
Yeah, they might have no idea.
Seems like I'm gonna pee. I'm not sure. Maybe they need my urine.
Yeah, you know, hold it fast.
Yeah. Just gonna hold it, guys. Pero mamaya pakita ko sa inyo yung kanilang CR dito.
Have them come out and get me, okay? Because
Okay.
half the time I'm allowed to go back. Half the time.
You can go ahead and put your things here and step right up here. Perfect.
Okay. Can I go pee or no?
Yeah, can I do your blood pressure real quick first?
Okay.
Okay. Treating you since your last appointment.
It's good though.
Good, good. And then just tell me your first, last name, and date of birth.
Maria 2002.
Perfect. And then let's see here. You are 28 weeks and 2 days today. I'm going to be scheduling you to come back for your 32-week appointment. So let me get you booked for that.
I have my appointment on 28th. It's ultrasound.
Ultrasound on the 28th.
Do I have my ultrasound today or no?
We don't usually do ultrasounds today. At 28 weeks, they do them usually at your first appointment, your second appointment, then you come at 20 weeks, and then your next one's at 36 weeks.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
36, oh, that's fast.
Yeah, 36. That will be your last one. And then this will be your 32 week, and you turn 32 weeks on the 1st of November. So let me take a peek at what that falls on. So we could do Monday, November 3rd. AC, would that work for you? Or we could do the 4th.
Work and he gets up at maybe 4 p.m.
4 p.m. on that on
November
the
4.
4th? Okay, perfect.
Yeah, I'll use that.
Okay, excellent. Great. Or the Tdap, you might have already gotten the flu, but if you didn't get the flu, I don't know if you're interested in getting the Tdap. That's the pertussis whooping cough vaccination. And then also we are offering the flu right now. We'd be happy to get you both of those taken care of today. Are you interested in doing either one of those?
Is it okay if I can ask you first?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Okay. Are you recording us?
Yeah, just in my...
Oh, for your arm. All right, you can rest your arm down by your side. Just relax. Yeah, there you go. Perfect. Okay, 110/69. Perfect.
Is it
As normal, good blood pressure. Yes.
Thank you. Tanong para maintindihan ko. Para alam niyo din. We're waiting for the doctor.
Oh, this week.
Yeah. So, babalik kami ulit guys this week kasi meron pala, na-miss ko na pala yung glucose test. Tinawagan nila ako last time. Hindi ako nakarespond. So, hindi ko alam na yun pala. So, yung glucose test, yun yung ano, ma-check if diabetic ka or hindi. So, hello.
Hey, it's Dr. Are you ready?
She's good, yeah.
Oh,
You'll be seeing Casey. We do recommend it in pregnancy.
Do I need an appointment for that?
No, our nurse is back here
Okay.
with her, so she doesn't have to wait in line.
Okay.
The one nice thing about doing it now and not going over to the flu clinic is if she goes over there, she's got to stay in line.
Oh.
When you're pregnant, you get to be a princess, and we keep you back here and do it back here. So, if you want to get it today, we can get it for you. You also be due for your pertussis vaccine.
Oh, yeah.
So those are all both
Yeah,
standard.
yeah, just do it. And it moves a lot now that
Yeah,
I know.
they usually do at this point. It's about 140 beats per minute. Sounds very good.
That's good.
Nice and strong. Second part, I'm going to measure with the tape measure.
Okay.
This, I'm going to be measuring from your pubic symphysis bone up to the top of the uterus.
Okay.
So I'm measuring from down here. And you are measuring right to about 29 and a half.
29, okay. Oh, here. Oh, blue. This one. Yeah. I'm gonna have my flu check.
You want to just do the whooping cough one, not the flu one?
Huh?
You sure you want to do the flu one?
The one?
Which one are you going to do?
What is the choices again? The flu
I
and
mean, they wanted you to get them both, but do you want to do both?
just one. It's okay.
Just the Tdap one?
What do you think?
I don't think you should do any of them, but I don't know, it's my opinion.
Do you have any questions about them? You can talk about it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, she's
Because
like
since
pretty far pregnant, I don't know, but I don't know.
Mag-CR muna ako, guys. Kasi natatakot ako. Ito yung kanilang CR dito. Malinis ang kanilang bathroom. Ayan. magpa-vaccine para sa ano, para ba sa alam ko lang tawag sa flu siguro at yung tibak para daw paglabas ng baby mga 2 months hindi na need na i-vaccine kasi protected na. Nagdadalawang isip pa yung asawa ko kasi baka maka-affect daw sa baby pero sabi nila hindi naman. Pauwi na kami ng bahay guys. Tomorrow babalik kami ulit kasi meron akong glucose test and tapos na ako magpa-vaccine. Ayun, may masakit, medyo masakit. Nangangala yung aking kamay. It's already 4:45.
Listen.
Can you explain it to me? Okay. He is doing good, active.
Yeah.
Because yesterday I noticed it doesn't really kick that much, especially if I'm tired. I'm too tired. But thank God that everything is good. All my tests are negative. And ano ba? Yun na lang guys, yung glucose test kung diabetic ka ba or hindi. So bukas need namin yung gawin. I think I can just go with you, babe, tomorrow going to your work. And stay in the car.
Yeah, all day.
It's fine. So that you don't need to go back home. We'll see. And purify your name. When it's tempted to your kingdom knows no end. Decaf. Nescafe Gold, guys. Decaf. Lagyan ko ng konting milk. Walang sugar. Kasi, meron akong biskotso. Yan yung gagamitin ko. Ito guys, biskotso. Galing pa to nung umuwi ako ng Pilipinas. Mabuti yung nakita ko nga, hindi siya na-expired. Madami din ako ditong piyaya. Guys, na-expired lang din. Mga piyaya. Pero pwede pa naman itong kainin kasi, nalagay ko naman sa ref. Itong tatlong ganitong piyaya. Saan na lang. Pero try ko yung kainin. Tinapay naman. Try naman kayo guys ang piyaya. Okay pa naman to. As long daw as hindi naman pangit yung itsura niya, yung molds, wala naman. Okay lang. At basta na-freeze lang. Sarap ng piyaya. Ito lang yung aking merienda. Sarap ng kape, mainit-init. Sarap ipares. So ayun, kahapon, nagpa-check up kami guys. Okay naman lahat ng result. Pero yung sinuot ko na damit ngayon, same pa rin. Kasi kahapon, nung nagpumunta ako ng hospital, yun lang naman nga ginamit ko yung damit. Kasi dito, hindi naman as long as kagagamit ko lang ng mga 1 oras, 30 minutes nang nagamit ko ng damit, inuulit ko pa rin suot kasi dito na naman ako sa bahay, sa sasakyan naman, wala namang alikabok. Tapos sayang minsan ang damit, mabango pa, iyan mo na. Labahan, mabilis masira. Kaya, sinuot ko ulit guys kasi komportable ako dito. Toasted bread siya na matamis, sarap. Ayan na siya guys. Inumin ko na to nang mabilis yung aking kape. Dumating na siya. Patis na kami agad. Hindi na siguro niya mapigilan, ihi na. Andiyan sa likod. Yung CR namin dyan sa loob. Ako. Ang ganda ng Ngayon na ako guys nakalabas buong araw. It's already 3:45. Mabuti kanina nakatulog ako. Wala masyadong tao ngayon. Busy. Babe! Yeah. Can you lock the door? Just lock it. Kiss kasi naka-camera. Telling you're not gonna kiss me because you're in the camera.
I'll
You're
kiss
shy. Now?
Your stomach hurts?
No, I mean, the injection.
Really?
Pag in-injection na nila ako. What does it injection called again? Tdap.
Tdap.
Tdap. And yung injection.
Sounds right.
35 minutes.
Smells.
Smell coffee?
Yeah, I'm not sure. Yeah, you smell like coffee.
So, what is it?
No.
What is that?
Yeah, it's some political thing.
Oh.
What were you waiting to before you had your surgery? Or before you like started kind of losing weight? Falling out. He's falling real bad. He's kind of like stress, you know. They said it could be like.
Wow, so handsome. Like your hair. Wow. A little bit. Eh? Goy. Look like a Superman. You got a Superman hair.
No, I don't.
Superman hair is like that.
He's got a curl,
Oh. Eh?
doesn't he?
Look at me. Pupunta ako guys sa may Walmart. Bibili ako ng ng saging, konting grocery lang. First time ko dito. Maghanap ako ng cassava, sana meron sila. Pinya din. Meron naman dito ang guava guys, kaso lang hilaw, ayun naman dito. Tingnan nyo yung mga talong dito guys, ang lalaki. Ito, mga kamote, malaki din yung kanilang mga kamote. Pero itong kunin, cassava. Cassava. Alam mo, hindi po ubos. Mag-self-check out lang ako guys. Ito lang naman yung pinamili ko. Pero parang 30 minutes ako dito. Yan lang yung nabili ko. So, total guys, ang pinamili ko is $14. We're going home na guys kasi it's already, what time na ba? 5 p.m?
Is it?
I think it's 5 p.m. So, uuwi na kami ng bahay at wala na din akong gagawin. And thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel. And if you want to follow me on Facebook, my name is Maria Rose Vlog. God bless everyone. Bye!